heart of a beautiful city, there stood a tall pole, and on top of it, a crow had lovingly built its nest. Days passed, and the crow laid her eggs. Soon, tiny cracks began to appear. Tick, tick, tick. One by one, cute little black chicks broke out of their shells, slowly, gently, adorably. Day after day, the nest became full, overflowing with the mother crow's precious babies. It was a heartwarming sight. One day, the mother crow flew out. Suddenly, thump, one little chick slipped and fell from the nest. Children gathered around, playing with the chick. Even the adults smiled, seeing such innocent life. As soon as he grabbed the baby, whoosh! From a distance, the mother crow saw everything and rushed like lightning. They attacked everyone who tried to come near. People ran in fear. Crows showed incredible unity. Dozens of them arrived, flapping, screaming, protecting. As soon as he grabbed the baby, she landed on the man's head and began pecking him fiercely. In seconds, she called the other crows. He put on a helmet, wore gloves, gently picked up the chick, and rushed to a nearby terrace. There, the mother crow arrived, followed by her entire flock. The baby chick climbed onto its mother lovingly, and she flew back to the nest, holding her baby close. Once again, their nest was filled with peace and happiness. This story teaches us that crows have remarkable unity. There is true strength in togetherness. Humans should learn from them, to stand with each other, to help one another in difficult times,